Currently, technology is increasingly developing, including printers or printing tools. Now there are printers that can be connected directly to cell phones so that we can directly print documents from cell phones. Now if you don't have a printer that can be connected to a cell phone and want to print documents on a cell phone but are confused about how, follow this tutorial to the end to find out the answer. The method is very easy. First, connect your smartphone to the computer using a data cable. Coincidentally, the cell phone I am using is a Vivo brand cell phone. On this Vivo cell phone, further settings will appear whether this connection is only to increase power or transfer files. Now because we will take data so we choose file transfer. Then find the PDF file to be printed in the cell phone storage. Once obtained, open the PDF file and can be printed directly. How, easy right? That's how to print PDF files from cell phone to computer/laptop. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.